In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Snapchat. So it's really easy to do. So what you want to do is just go to your profile at the top left. Usually it's it's a yellow icon, or if you made an avatar, it'll be a picture of your avatar. So go ahead to the top left, and this will bring you to your own page here. What you want to do is go to the opposite side to the top right, where you see the gear icon here, and that's going to bring you to your settings. So go ahead and scroll down to where you see your privacy controls, and you'll see your blocked users here. So go ahead and click that. And then pretty simply, you can just click one and you want to unblock the person. You can hit yes, and then the person is unblocked. Now to go back and to have them on your friends list, you'll actually have to go and search the user and then request to be their friend on Snapchat. They'll get notified and hopefully they'll accept you. But that is how you would go about unblocking someone on Snapchat. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you in the next one.